Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at a Dremel Drill Press. I needed a drill press, cut my ties, and I thought I could buy one or I could make one because I'm like that. So I made myself a little drill press. It works efficient for what I'm trying to do. It has a little PCB tie fixture inside of it that comes out of it as well. The plate itself is on sliding rails, so you can move the base back and forth to make it fit just perfectly. Goes up and down, got a little gear in the back, a little handle on the front, a couple simple pressure clamps hold it together. This is my Dremel. It fits mine. I don't know if there's different ones. You can put a little wrap in there if you need to. And this is me putting together the drill press. I already attached the snap brackets to the inner post, and that connects also with the toothed gear on the back, and then the pole itself slides through a two-piece fitting that goes around both sides of it and allows it to slide in between it. You want to trim off the bottom of those two legs with the deburring tool. You can see in a second I'll grab the deburring tool and pull off a little bit of edges because it's pretty tight, and it's just enough outside without it. But there's the deburring tool. Just run it down the base length of the two corners that are on the inside, and if you push down on the table and push it all the way in, it fits. It lines up right, but it has to be zero. The tolerances have to be out of it. Once you get it all the way pushed in there, it fits in pretty good. It's got the four, I think those are 8 or 9 centimeter long. I have to double check bolts. I'll put them in the description. But basically the whole thing has a little gear in the middle, and then two tall arms hold it together, and then from there you simply put the pole slider. It goes in the middle between the two things that it holds together. It has screws that go all the way through it, and in this case they didn't want to thread easily, so I had to take it back out and start the thread of the two of them. But it seems to be better with the outside nice and snug. There's enough space inside of it so you can't really crush the inner pole. I did print the pole part vertically. I printed it twice, once horizontally and once vertically. It printed a whole lot better as a vertical print because it makes the outside a lot closer to being perfect. And then with the two long bolts all the way through it, there's 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. There's actually 2 in the middle. In my case, I haven't used them at this point. I don't know if it's better or worse without it. I have to take it apart to get those 2 in. But at the very least, it seems to work fine with the 4 outer bolts. Sometimes a little overkill, but when I'm designing it, I don't know if I'll use it or not. But with the bolts on the outside, it holds the thing whole piece strong together. And then you have to add the arms to it, and the arms basically have square fittings on the end. For my case, one side fit better than the other way, and they each have basically a big wood screw because there's no inner nut for that, so you have to add just basically a thread screw that goes into it. You don't go too tight because you'll destroy the plastic and it won't fit a second time. But if you put it in there relatively slowly or with a low torque setting on a screwdriver, you can do it without doing any damage to it. And then the Dremel itself just sort of snaps into these 2 clamps. Use like a screwdriver to pop them out from the behind. If you put a screwdriver behind it, you can sort of leverage it out. And with that, drill press. Print it up. Basic hardware, basic screws, basic Dremel drill press. Get yourself a drill press. Get it on Colts. Cut some PCB ties, because now I got a spring steel under tie bed servo that I'm using. I was using a servo from the side. I'm going to put a piece of string steel through it. I needed a tiny little tie cut, so made myself Dremel drill press. Get it on Colts.